Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. In this weather briefing, as usual, we will discuss synoptic situation today and their forecast for next 5 days. And after that, we will come over to the monsoon activity over the country during past 24 hours, and then weather warning over the country during next 5 days. So first of all, we have the synoptic systems today. So today there is no significant synoptic system except there is a sicer over northwest Rajasthan, which is extending up to 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level, and the monsoon trough is uh, passing to the north of western end of the monsoon trough is passing to the north of its normal position through Firozpur, then Panipat, then Meerut, and after Meerut it is passing through Gorakhpur, and thence northeast was along the foothills of Himalayas. So eastern end is passing through the foothills of Himalayas, and the western end is to the north of its normal position. And by tomorrow, the entire monsoon trough is likely to run close to foothills of Himalayas, and this condition will continue for next 4 days, and from 27th of August by uh, by the formation of a cyclonic circulation over northwest Bay of Bengal and neighborhood. This eastern end of the monsoon trough is very likely to shift southwards from 27th of August, and then the monsoon activity over this East India and adjoining parts of East Central India is very likely to increase from 28th, 27th of August. So the next we come over to the monsoon activity during past 24 hours. So during past 24 hours, Mohsin Ram and Sohra of Meghalaya has reported 23 and 20 centimeter rainfall respectively, and Mokir Wat of Meghalaya has reported 19 centimeter, Khiri of East UP has reported 14, and Osmanabad of Telangana has reported 13, East Champaran of Bihar and Champawat of Uttarakhand and Beed of Marathwada has reported 12 centimeter each. So in that way, extremely heavy rainfall, that is 20 greater than 20 centimeter rainfall, has been reported at isolated places over Meghalaya, and a very heavy rainfall has been reported over at isolated places over Assam, and very heavy rainfall has been reported over Uttarakhand, Marathwada, Bihar, and East Uttar Pradesh, and heavy rainfall has been reported over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, South India, Karnataka, Telangana, Madhya Maharashtra, Odisha, and Arunachal Pradesh. And accordingly, we can see that the areas which have reported very heavy and extremely heavy rainfall have reported normal monsoonal activity during past 24 hours, as we can see in the green color, and rest entire country has been reflected here in red color. That shows weak monsoon conditions over the almost 60% of the country during past 24 hours. And the normal monsoon condition has been reported over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, South Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, Bihar, East UP, Uttarakhand, Odisha, Telangana, Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, South India, Karnataka, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, Lakshadweep, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now we come over to the next 5 days warning. So as we have seen that the monsoon trough is lying close to foothills of Himalayas, so there is the rainfall activity over the entire country except over extreme South Peninsular India, East India, and Northeast India is very likely to remain subdued during next uh, 4 days, and it is likely to increase with the southward shifting of the monsoon trough, eastern end of the monsoon trough from 27th August. It is very likely to increase from 27th 28th August over Odisha, Jharkhand, and this Chhattisgarh and adjoining areas of our east central India. So till then, subdued rainfall activity is very likely to continue right from beginning from Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and then our Konkan Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Vidarbha, and North India, Karnataka. Uh, if we come over to this Kerala, extreme South Peninsular India, that is coastal and South India, Karnataka, and Rayalaseema, and coastal Andhra Pradesh, and then Kerala and Tamil Nadu, then scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall is very likely to continue during next 5 days over these areas. But the areas which I have already, which I earlier mentioned, that area beginning from Jammu and Kashmir and coming up to North India Karnataka, so these areas are likely to experience just either dry weather or just isolated light rainfall during next 5 days. And when we come over to East India, Northeast India, so Northeast India is very likely to experience widespread rainfall during next 5 days, and Meghalaya is very likely to observe uh, extremely heavy rainfall on today and tomorrow, that is 24th and 25th. And Sub Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim is very likely to have a very heavy rainfall uh, from today and up to 27th of August, and then it is likely to decrease. And similarly, Bihar is very likely to experience isolated heavy rainfall today, and then from tomorrow, 25th and 26th, it is likely to receive isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. And then on 27th and 28th, it is likely to receive only isolated heavy rainfall. So, and East UP is very likely to receive isolated heavy rainfall during next 5 days. And as far as Uttarakhand is concerned, so Uttarakhand is very likely to receive isolated heavy rainfall during next 5 days, except on 26th and 27th of August, when Uttarakhand is likely to receive isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also. So that's all for today, and tomorrow we will again meet with the Delhi weather briefing for next 5 days. So monsoon conditions, subdued rainfall activity would continue during next 5 days over entire northwest India, West India, central India, and our this entire Maharashtra and North India, Karnataka. And the conditions would this monsoon would shift from weak monsoon condition to normal to above normal monsoon conditions from 28th of August, and 29th and 30th of August. This with southward shifting of the monsoon trough, the rainfall activity would increase over almost entire country. So that's all for today, and tomorrow we will again meet with the Delhi weather briefing for next 5 days. Thank you. Goodbye.